What's up guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to complete two challenges at Try Towers in Skate 4. So firstly open your map. So these are the two challenges we need to complete at Try Towers, and to get to Try Towers we need to follow this route. Firstly go from this side and then you'll find some stairs here and then we can get up to Try Towers. So let me show you that in game. Firstly climb these stairs from this side, then get a right turn, and now you will see these stairs. You can remove your skate by pressing Y or triangle and then climb this without your skate. After that you will be able to reach the Try Towers and then we'll be able to complete the two challenges. So as you can see, there are our challenges. So this is the first challenge. You need to just get over it and then keep holding Y or triangle to begin this challenge. So this is the first challenge, which is on the spot, go with the flow. And for the second challenge we need to go to this spot here. Again go over it and then keep holding Y or triangle in order to start the challenge. So this is the process. Hope this helps. If it did, please like this video and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.